How to add a gift card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet. Here we go. This is the default app in your device. If you cannot find this app in your device, you can launch your App Store, search for the app Apple Wallet and install it. After completion of its installation, you can launch this app. You will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner, you will find this plus icon. Click on it. With that, you will get different available card options. Go ahead and select the option that is suitable for you. For instance, I will be selecting debit or credit card. Once you select it, click on continue. If you have physical card, you can position your card in the frame and scan it, or else you can click on this option of enter card details manually. Now go ahead and type in your card details. Unless you have a supported gift card with a Visa, MasterCard or American Express logo, you can't add it to your Apple Wallet. And not every gift card with a major credit card logo is supported. Once you fill this, click on next. Complete the verification process, and with that your gift card will be added to your Apple Wallet. In the case you are getting the error, that means your gift card is not supported. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily add gift card to your Apple Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.